Epoxy coffee tables have become one of the most fascinating pieces in modern interior design. By blending natural wood and crystal clear resin, these tables are not just furniture, they're works of art. In this video, we'll explore what epoxy is, creative coffee table ideas, and the latest 2026 design trends that are over living rooms around the world. What is epoxy resin and why it's so popular? Epoxy is a two-part resin or resin base and a hardener. When mixed, they create a chemical reaction that forms a strong, smooth, glass-like surface. What makes epoxy so popular is its durability, transparency, and versatility. It resists scratches, water, and heat, making it perfect for coffee tables that blend beauty and practicality. Whether your style is rustic, modern, or artistic, epoxy adapts beautifully to any setting. Inspiring epoxy coffee table ideas. One of the best things about epoxy coffee tables is how customizable they are. Every design can be completely unique, shaped by color, texture, and imagination. Here are some popular ideas you can try or get inspired by. River table design. 2 live edge wood slabs with colored resin flowing between them, resembling a river, calm, natural, and eye-catching. Metallic swirl effect. Gold, silver, or bronze pigments added to the resin create a luxurious marbled look. Nature-inspired design. Incorporate moss, stones, shells, or dried flowers to create an organic, outdoor-inspired centerpiece. Minimalist clear resin. Simple, transparent epoxy paired with light wood tones creates an airy, modern feel, ideal for small living rooms. How to style epoxy coffee tables in your decor. Epoxy coffee tables are statement pieces. They immediately draw attention. That's why matching them with the right decor style makes all the difference. Modern interiors. Choose clear or black resin with sleek metal legs for a clean, industrial aesthetic. Rustic homes. Go for natural wood edges with blue or green resin tones to highlight organic textures. Luxury spaces. Opt for glossy epoxy with golden or bronze tones, paired with velvet sofas or marble accents. Pro tip: epoxy surfaces reflect light beautifully, so placing your table near a window or under soft lighting can enhance its depth and color effect. (2026) Epoxy design trends. In 2026, epoxy coffee tables are evolving with a strong focus on natural simplicity and handmade artistry. Designers are embracing organic wood textures and live edge slabs. Soft, earthy tones like sand beige, olive green, amber brown, and caramel. Matte finishes instead of high gloss for a natural look. Sustainably crafted and hand-poured designs. The 2026 motto is clear, authentic, organic, and timeless. Whether you buy one or make it yourself, an epoxy coffee table can transform your living room into a true work of art. With endless color and texture options, it's one of the most creative ways to bring warmth and personality into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which epoxy table design would you love to have in your space?